Yeah, for me it's like super crazy. I've been doing it for so long. You like it in stock? Well, yeah. So, you know how to open it?
Yeah, go grab one.
Yeah, let's go. Before we just go. Let's go to the...
To the bench.
Welcome back, and we have our straw. This big pile here and continues over that way in a couple other rooms. Full 200 bales of straw ready to go. You could see it back here. The first course of the straw bales have been laid on their foundational piece along the side and back here where it's going. So I mentioned the parallel lines. It's kind of holding in where the bales are going. You can kind of see here the bales getting ready. Between this we have an inch or two of pea gravel. This insulation on top of that help protect any water that gets in the straw. None really should, but it needs somewhere to go should it happen. So get captured in that pea gravel. And you can see the straw bales being put in. I also walked by some electrical work that was getting started. You can see some boxes here. This is going to be where the washer and dryer go eventually. A couple of boxes, as you can see, going down through the kitchen. So work starting more to take shape. We look up, I don't know if you could really see it here, but gutters have also been installed. It's really dark in the structure because they need to protect the straw. We do have some rains coming up, and just from the weather elements in general. So we could see the gutters. I don't know if those are more temporary or permanent, but they'll help keep the water off everything, keep the interior dry as things get going. So there's been improvements last week. Things are really moving. Again, the straw's all here. Hopefully we'll be putting all the walls in coming up soon. There's some electrical prep being done before that. And we'll see how things go.